Hi guys, welcome back to another video in News and Infotech YouTube channel. Wishing you all a very radiant energy and also positive energy that has been flowing from ourselves, from our end to your end. So let us start today's video where I'll be translating few sentences, and this is one of the common sentences in this kind of scenario. So let us see. The first sentence is కార్యాలయానికి సెలవులు ప్రకటించారు. Let's see how we can translate it. Holidays have been declared in the office. So, second one, నాకు ఊరికి టికెట్స్ దొరికాయి. I got tickets to my native. Or if you want to specify any kind of sentence, you can specify and try to give the information in the translated sentence that you are willing to give or provide to the target audience. So let's see this third sentence. నువ్వు కార్యాలయానికి ఎప్పుడు తిరిగి వస్తావని అధికారి అడిగారు. So this is a kind of tricky sentence. So let's see how we can translate this. My manager asked me about my availability in the office when I am back. So or else I will try to give this kind of sentence in a simple translated way at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. So let's see the fourth sentence. నేను ఈ రోజు సానుకూలంగా స్పందిస్తాను. I will respond positively today. So it is exactly the true translation. Nenu, I, ee roju has been here today. So in this way we can write it and we can try to replace the words and the order so that it can give the exact meaning. So let's see the final sentence. నాకు ఈ రోజు నమూనా పరీక్షలో మార్కులు బాగా వచ్చాయి. I got / secured good marks in the mock test. So you can write I got good marks in the mock test, or I secured good marks in the mock test. So in this way I try to give how you can translate in different ways and different kind of words, synonyms and everything. I try to give the most of the information through these videos. So please do check out our previous videos as well. So as I promised, like this third sentence I will try to give the simplest form. So let's see that. So the same starting sentence, my manager asked me when I will be back to the office. So in this way you can try to capture the previous sentence as well as this sentence if you are able to capture the essence. So if you did understand, please do let us know through the likes, comments and subscriptions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel News and Infotech Ameerpet. So for this kind of translation series and idiom series and interview question series, please do let us know your valuable feedback and suggestions. We will try to improve ourselves and give them beautiful content for the upliftment of you guys to improve your communication skills, soft skills and way of corporate English and lot more. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.